Welcome, listener. Today we will discuss simple operations on numbers. Python can carry out simple operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on numbers, and it will print the output. Look at the example. We have taken two numbers, 20 and 5. First, we take addition, that is 20 plus 5 gives 25. Then subtraction, 20 minus 5, 15. Then multiplication, 20 asterisk 5, that is 100. And then division, 20 slash 5 is 4.0. Now, using a single slash to divide numbers produces a decimal or floating point number. That's why 21 slash 5 gives 4.2. Now, 20 plus 10 minus 6, that gives 20 plus 10 is 30, minus 6 is 24. In the next example, 20 plus 10 minus, it gives syntax error because incomplete input. Now, in the next example, under bracket, minus 20 asterisk 5 plus 150. Now, as per BODMAS rule, that is brackets, then orders, then divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. We will follow this sequence. So bracket operation will perform fast. That's why minus 20 asterisk 5 is minus 100 plus 150, that is equal to 50. Next, 9 plus 3 asterisk 4, multiplication comes fast before addition. That's why 3 asterisk 4 gives 12 plus 9 is 21. But when 9 plus 3 will be under bracket, then bracket operation will perform fast. That's why 9 plus 3 is 12. Then that will be multiplied by 4. That gives 12 asterisk 4 gives 48. Now quotient and remainder. Now by dividing two numbers, we get quotient and remainder. Quotient using the float division, that is double slash, and remainder using modulo operator, that is percentage. And these operators can be used with both integers and floating point numbers. Suppose we are considering 44 divided by 6. In simple division, it gives quotient equal to 7 and remainder equal to 2. So in Python programming, 44 double slash 6, that means float division 6. 44 float division 6 gives 7, and 44 percentage 6, that is modulo operator, that gives remainder, that gives 2. Now, when you perform these operations, that is float division and modulo operation on floating point numbers, then 143.18 float division 5.0, that gives 28.0, and 143.18 percentage 5.0 gives 3.18. Now exponentiation. The double asterisk operator is used for exponentiation. Look at the example, 4 asterisk 4 asterisk 4 asterisk 4 asterisk 4. That means we multiply 4 5 times, and that gives 1024. Now for 5 times it's okay. But if I consider 4 asterisk 4 asterisk 4 dot 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 up to 1000 times, then this is not feasible. This is not practicable. In that case, we have to take help of exponentiation, that is double asterisk operator. That's why here 4 asterisk 4 asterisk 4 asterisk 4 asterisk 4, that is 4, we multiply 5 times, that will represent this way, that 4 double asterisk 5, that means that equal to 4 to the power 5, that is equal to 1024. The same way, if I multiply 4 asterisk 4 asterisk 4 up to 1000 times, we have to write this way, 4 asterisk asterisk, that is double asterisk 1000, that is equal to 4 to the power 1000. Now 81 double asterisk 0.5, that is equal to 81 to the power 0.5, that is equal to 9.0. Now dividing two integers, we have noticed that dividing any two integers produces a decimal or floating point number. However, a floating point number is also produced by performing an operation on two float point numbers or on a floating point number and an integer. Look at the example, 4.2 plus 6.4, that gives 10.6. Now 4 into 2.0, here we perform operation on integers and floating point numbers, and it gives 8.0. Similarly, 21 plus 2.5, that gives 23.5. So Python automatically converts the integer to a float so that we can perform operation with a floating point number and an integer. And this is known as implicit conversion or type coercion. This is one advantage of Python programming. Now, division by zero. In Python, dividing a number by zero generates an error and no output is produced. The last line of an error message shows the type of error generated. That's why 12/0, it gives zero division error, that is division by zero. Thank you.